Hello everyone, I am Prashant Wakhare. Discussed in the last video about the data types, that is the built-in data types in Python. So today, friends, we will discuss some more knowledge about the Python programming. So in that, more about the Python programming. So first one is we will see input operation. Then second part we will see what is the use of the comments in Python, and last part is the indentation concept. So these three concepts we will see in the today's video one by one. First one is the input operations. So before discuss the example of the input operation, we will see so what is the input operation and what is the use of the input operation in the Python programming. So in the real world, programs need to be interactive. With interactive we mean that you need to take some sort of input or information from the user and work on that input. So to take input from the users means you, myself, or any developers. So these all are the users. So to take input from the users, Python makes use of the input function. So this is are the input function. These are the input function. So input function prompt the user to provide some information on which the program can work and give the result. However, we must always remember that the input function takes user inputs as a string. So whether you input a number or a string, it is treated as string only. So keep in mind this concept is very important in a Python program. So see here that this is the example. So name is the variable. So this variable is assigned the input function, and in the function return is the what is your name. So means when you put the name, it will be stored in the name variable. So second variable is the age. So in the second variable age, this is the second input, enter your age. When you enter your age, it will be stored in the age variable. So see here that this age is the capital and this age is the small. So both variable it should be the same. So we will change this name, age. So when you print this name, then whatever you put your name, it will be print. And same here the age, when you put the enter your age, when you put suppose the 20, 25, 26 that way, so it will be print here. So this is the input operations. Next, the comments. So these are also the very important in the Python programming. So comments are the non-executable statement in a program. They are just added to describe the statement in the program code. So comments make the program easily readable and understandable by the programmer as well as others users who are seeing the code. The interpreter simply ignore the comments. So in Python, so these hash, the hash sign that is not inside a string literal begins the comments. All characters following the hash and up to the end of the line are part of the comment. So see here in this example, so when you write any program, so before write the program means your clients understood, so what is this program? If you write the comments in the before the program, so see here that this program is this is the comments. So hash simply it ignore the it is the non-executable part and it simply ignore the interpreter simply ignore the comments. So when you print this program, so it will be only print the hello, because other part we have written here the hash. So hash it will be the non-executable parts. So that is the comments make the program easily readable and understandable by the programmers as well as other users and who are seeing the code. So that is the comments. Next and last part is the indentation. This indentation concept is only introduced in the Python programming. So basically the indentation used, the white space at the beginning of the line is called the indentation. So these white space or the indentation are the very important in Python. In the program, the leading white space including the space and the tabs at the beginning of the logical line determine the indentation level of that logical line. So one thing is very important in the indentation. In the most programming languages, indentation has no effect on a program logic. It is used to align statements to make the code readable. However, in Python, indentation is used to associate and group statement. Thank you.